Which steel brain rot is better? Let's go! 67676. La vaca Jacqueline Terino. Strawberry elephant or me all? If you got the first two exams right, double tap the screen to lock in. Exam number 3. Hold to the comment button and pick your favorite emoji. I bet you picked this one. By the way, did you know if you follow me, my profile pictures start dancing? Exam number 4. What's the second app? Pops up when you click share and then more. If it's Instagram, you failed this exam. Last question only. Sharp eyes can see. What's the number in this picture? Write your answer in the comments.